and welcome. I am Anika, bringing you the top headlines from the Travel World Online newsroom, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio channel. First, India's Buddhist heritage shines as Sarnath joins the UNESCO World Heritage List, while Madhya Pradesh launches a statewide clean tourism mission. Nepal proposes recognizing its biometric national identity card to simplify cross-border travel with India. IAG Chief Executive Luis Gallego is elected chairman of the One World Governing Board. Virgin Atlantic and Joby Aviation partner to launch electric air taxi services in the UK. Bundelkhand University and InTouch team up to establish a dedicated heritage conservation center. And Expedia's 2026 report reveals a 55% surge in global demand for emerging island destinations. Now, the news in detail. Sarnath has been officially inscribed on the UNESCO World Heritage List, bringing India's total sites to 45. Simultaneously, the Madhya Pradesh Tourism Board and IATO launched the Swachh Paryatan Abhiyan at the UNESCO-listed Sanchi Stupa. Commencing a monthly cleanliness drive across major state destinations, the joint initiative unites officials, tourism stakeholders, and volunteers to promote sustainable, plastic-free heritage tourism across India's world-renowned Buddhist circuit. In a key cross-border diplomatic move, Nepal has requested India to recognize its biometric national identity card as a valid travel document. If approved, millions of travelers moving for tourism, trade, and pilgrimages across major corridors like Varanasi, Bodh Gaya, Kathmandu, and Lumbini will experience faster border checks. The initiative marks a significant step towards modernizing digital identity-based travel while enhancing bilateral tourism security and infrastructure. International Airlines Group CEO Luis Gallego has been elected chairman of the One World Governing Board, taking office on September 1, 2026. Succeeding American Airlines CEO Robert Isom Gallego will oversee the alliance's 15-member airlines connecting nearly 1,000 global destinations. His leadership is expected to strengthen digital connectivity, streamline loyalty programs, and drive sustainability initiatives across One World's multi-brand international aviation network. Virgin Atlantic has signed a multi-year deal with Joby Aviation as its exclusive UK partner to introduce electric air taxi services. Operating Joby's zero-emission eVTOL aircraft, the service will connect London Heathrow to central London in just 8 minutes. Available for direct booking on Virgin Atlantic's platforms, the initiative builds on Delta Air Lines' backing to pioneer fast, sustainable urban air mobility across key UK travel hubs. Bundelkhand University and InTouch Jhansi chapter have signed a memorandum of understanding to set up the Center for Heritage Management and Conservation in Jhansi. Featuring a dedicated scientific research and testing laboratory, the center will focus on documenting and preserving unprotected regional monuments, conducting skill-building workshops, and fostering youth participation to accelerate research and sustainable cultural tourism throughout the historic Bundelkhand region. Finally, Expedia's 2026 Island Hot List reveals a 55% surge in global search demand for island travel, driven by interest in nature, wellness, and authentic cultural experiences. Moving beyond traditional beach hotspots, travelers are increasingly booking emerging destinations such as Street, Lucia, Palawan, Phuket, Praslin, and the Lofoten Islands, signaling a major global shift toward experiential and off-peak island escapes. That's all in this news bulletin. For latest news, keep watching Travel World Online, India's only 24/7 digital travel TV and radio. Signing off, I am Anika. Jai Hind.
You are watching Travel World Online.